Hello and welcome back to my channel. And today we're going to go over the trim formula. Today's video is going to be super quick and easy to follow, so let's get started. The trim formula is a great tool to remove any excess spaces that you may have in your text. So any excess spaces at the front, middle, or at the end. Let's look at the names up on screen. Up here you will see that there is extra spaces in between some of the words, before some of the words, and then also after. Let's take John Smith, for example. If I click into the formula bar, you'll see that there's extra spaces in between John and Smith, as well as after Smith. Instead of manually going in and deleting these extra spaces, what we can do is use the trim formula. So in the next cell over, let's write equals trim, open your bracket, select your text, close your bracket, and once you press enter, you'll notice that there's no longer the extra spaces between John and Smith. If I click in, you will see the formula. And what you can do to only see the text itself is copy this over and paste the values only. So in order to paste the values only, we can go to our paste function. Down here, it's values. Here you will be able to see that you've pasted the values, come into the formula bar, and you'll notice that there are no extra spaces even after the word Smith. Now what we can do is copy that formula all the way down using our autofill function. Double click here. We can expand our column so that we can see the full word, and then copy the rest of the names over and use our special paste function to paste the values. Now what we are left with is a row of names that are improperly formatted, a row of formulas for our names, and then a row of our names cleaned up. So what you can do to remove all the extra columns is just simply select the columns that you don't want anymore, right click, and delete. Once that's done, all you're left with is the cleaned up names. If you thought this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.